You know I'm all about the baste, about the smoked ham baste. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to make this easy glaze recipe for smoking ham on the Traeger grill with butter and herbs, and it couldn't be any easier. Let's do it. So this boneless smoked ham is ready in about 90 minutes. So as soon as you plop the ham on the smoker, you don't need to season it or anything before it. Then you go ahead and you make this baste. So in this smoked ham baste is about 4 tablespoons butter, a tablespoon of pork seasoning or any barbecue dry rub. We just use the Traeger, I think it was actually a poultry rub. It tasted delicious. And then 1 sprig of rosemary that's fresh. And so you put that in a pot and you put it in the Traeger, and it's going to smoke for about 20 minutes until the butter of the baste is melted. And then from there on out, about every 30 minutes, you go ahead and you baste the smoked ham. You see my toddler really likes to get into cooking now. He's getting all excited about the grill. He actually has a grill in our living room that he uses all the time. So anyways, it couldn't be any easier. Put any flavors that you want in there and just keep basting it. You won't believe how incredibly juicy and moist a smoked ham can turn out, especially if you're using this really simple, easy smoker ham baste. Well, don't forget to check out some of my other recipes. I also have really epic leftover smoked ham sandwich that you have to check out that my husband made with some smoked mac and cheese on it. You can find all these recipes and videos from sipbitego. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers! You know I'm all about the baste, No.